There are many types of food in the world, which includes junk food and seafood as well. Seafood is quite common in many countries, but it has fewer trends in countries like China, Japan, America and India. There are many dishes in different restaurants, which are made from seafood and are the most expensive dishes in the world. Some people consider that people with high living standard love to eat seafood, especially sushi. These dishes are very difficult to afford for everyone, but the tourists always wanted to try specific food of different countries to have a different taste. (10) Horseshoe lobster. Horseshoe lobster is the famous seafood dish, which is commonly called as the Rolls-Royce of lobsters. It has some vintage and old taste because of the ingredients and spices used in it. It was first introduced in New York, which has the best lobsters in the world. The price of this seafood dish is $20 for each pound. This dish is only available for 10 weeks in a whole year, not all the time, and is sold out quickly. It is well decorated and served perfectly. 9. Coffin Bay King oysters. Coffin Bay King oysters are quite expensive seafood in the world, which was first invented in Australia, at the price of $100 for a single oyster. The oysters used in this dish are 18 centimeters long, and their total weight is almost 1 kilogram, which is considered as the largest ones in the world. They are commonly served with a raw slice of lemon to complete its taste. Their taste is unique and delicious according to the people. 8. The Buddha jumps over the wall fish soup. The Buddha jumps over the wall fish soup was first introduced at Kai Mayfair, and the price of this delicious seafood is $169.86. It is a most expensive soup in the world, which is commonly used during winters and rainy days. It is the dish which was introduced with many unique ingredients as a whole, like Japanese flowers, mushroom, dried scallops, and cucumber as well. People who wanted to eat this dish have to do pre-booking almost 5 days in advance, because it is not commonly ordered by people. 7. Puffer fish. Puffer fish is the seafood dish which was invented in Japan, and is sold at the whopping price of $280. It is commonly called as fugu in Japan in their own language. It is the best dish for the thrill-seeking people. For making this dish, chefs are given special treatment and training to prepare it properly. Spending some extra cash to grab this dish, or for the safety of people and the additional things with it to make it more delicious. 6. Lobster frittata. Lobster frittata looks like a very simple dish of seafood, which was first invented at Norma-S at Le Parker Meridian Hotel, which is located in New York City. The price of this delicious dish is $1,000. It is made from different ingredients like lobster claws, 6 eggs, and also the Sevruga caviar. It is mostly served at the time of breakfast, which is very famous all over the world. 5. Baby eel. Baby eel is the seafood dish, which is widely available in the whole USA. It is sold at the high price of $2,000 for each pound. It is called as the tasty diamond in the whole fish market. Baby eels are commonly available in the coastal cities, which include Portland and Maine. That is the reason their prices are very high, and make them rare item in the whole world of fish world. The look of the dish is not very yummy. 4. Samundari Khazana curry. Samundari Khazana curry is the dish which was first invented in Bombay Brasserie, which is commonly called as the seafood treasure. It is sold at the price of $3,200, which is very expensive. It is made from different ingredients like Scottish lobster, Devon crab, white truffle, and also enhanced with edible gold. This dish has gained much popularity, because of its introduced in the movie called Slumdog Millionaire of 2009. It provides the best experience for the people of Curry. 3. Posh Pie. Posh Pie is the dish, which was first launched in the Lord Dudley Hotel by the Australian chef, and is sold at the price of $9,484. It is considered as most expensive pie of the world, which has gained much achievement of selling 2 million food vouchers in the whole Australia. It is made from ingredients like winter black truffles, lobsters which are further enhanced with 23-carat edible gold leaf, and also served with 2 bottles of Grange Reserve. Two. Alma's Caviar. Alma's Caviar, which was invented at the Caviar House in Prunier, which is available in the whole UK. It is sold at the whopping price of $25,000 for a single dish. It is made from the fish eggs, which are served with the 24-karat gold tin to make it more luxurious. It is the only restaurant which serves this amazing dish to the whole world. It looks very amazing dish, which is totally worth it for the price paid for it. 1. Bluefin tuna. Bluefin tuna is the seafood dish, which was first invented in Japan, and is called King of the Sushi game, and has made a record for the price, paid for it at almost $1.76 million in 2013. It is considered as the specialty of whole Japan, which is tasted by the people visiting Japan in their life. It is named after the most expensive dish of the whole world, and fish as well. It was estimated that half of the population of Japan has tried this dish once in their lifetime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, Tavel and Taste channel for more videos.